Have you ever wondered how adversity can shape an individual's life? Let's journey to a breathtaking village nestled in the heart of majestic mountains, where a resilient soul named Owais flourished. This was a place where days unfolded amidst the poetry of nature and nights were illuminated by the ballet of the stars. Owais, a young man gifted with kindness and intelligence, had a work ethic that was as unyielding as the mountains that surrounded his home. High school was his first proving ground, a place where his academic prowess shone brightly. His outstanding achievements opened doors to the realm of computer science at a prestigious college, a testament to his thirst for knowledge. But Owais wasn't just about academics. He had a burning desire to impact the lives of those around him. He was a hand that lifted, a shoulder to lean on, and a heart that cared. His village was his sanctuary, a place he held dear, and his actions reflected his commitment to its people. He became a beacon of support, a cherished figure who made a difference. Through his early years, Owais demonstrated an admirable balance between personal ambition and societal commitment. He was a youth who dared to dream, yet never lost sight of his roots. His journey was not just about pursuing personal milestones, it was about creating ripples of change that would touch every life in his village. In the grand theater of life, Owais was an actor who played his part with conviction and grace. His story was an embodiment of the saying that a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. He was a living testament to the idea that every great story has humble beginnings. From the breathtaking village to the prestigious college, from the starlit nights to the sunlit days, every moment of Owais's journey was a stepping stone leading him towards his dreams. His life was a symphony of perseverance, resilience, and unwavering dedication, a tale that was just beginning to unfold. Owais, a beacon of support, became a cherished figure in his village. But what happens when the winds of destiny change? Just as Owais was making strides in his life, with a promising future beckoning him, an unexpected whirlwind swept through his homeland. His peaceful village, nestled in the heart of majestic mountains, found itself ensnared in the cruel grip of war. The once serene landscape was marred by conflict, the echoes of peace replaced by the cacophony of strife. This was a time of turmoil, a time when the world Owais knew was turned upside down. But true to his resilient spirit, Owais did not bow down to the winds of adversity. Instead, he sought to rise above, to find a way to continue his journey, to keep the flame of his dreams alive. In the midst of all this chaos, a beacon of hope shone brightly. A distinguished overseas university extended a lifeline, a scholarship to pursue information technology. This was an opportunity, a chance for Owais to escape the clutches of war and continue his education, to broaden his horizons and to keep his aspirations afloat. With a heavy heart but a determined spirit, Owais left his homeland, venturing into unfamiliar territories. He embraced this new chapter of his life, channeling all his energy into his studies. His thirst for knowledge remained unquenched, his desire to make a difference undiminished. But as Owais flourished in academia, his homeland grappled with the harsh realities of conflict and natural disasters. The once idyllic village lay in ruins, its spirit resilient but wounded. The very thought of his village, his people under such distress was heart-wrenching. Yet Owais couldn't return. The conditions were perilous, the risks too high. Despite the longing for his homeland, Owais knew he had to press forward. He had a mission, a purpose, to excel in his quest for knowledge, to bring about a positive change, to be a beacon of hope. His journey was not just about him, it was about his village, his people. Unable to return due to perilous conditions, Owais pressed forward, steadfast in his quest for knowledge and excellence. How does one navigate the trials of academia while their homeland grapples with conflict and natural disasters? In the midst of chaos, Owais found himself in the realm of academia. Driven by his thirst for knowledge and the burning desire to impact lives, he had earned a scholarship to pursue IT technology at a distinguished university overseas. His journey was not a smooth sail. It was a relentless battle against the currents of adversity. Yet Owais was a beacon of resilience. He was thousands of miles away from home, grappling with the intricacies of a foreign language, adjusting to a new environment, and overcoming the pangs of homesickness. Each day was a test, each night a time to gather his strength for the challenges of the next dawn. But he remained steadfast, nurturing the flame of hope that flickered within him. As he immersed himself in the world of academia, his homeland was entwined in a bitter struggle. The once idyllic village lay in ruins, its spirit resilient but wounded. News of the devastation trickled in, each report a dagger to his heart. Unable to return due to perilous conditions, Owais pressed forward, his resolve unbroken, his spirit unyielding. His journey was not confined to the walls of the classroom. Owais sought employment, juggling the demands of work and studies. His days stretched thin, his nights consumed by the pursuit of excellence. Yet, he remained undeterred. His vision was clear, his mission unwavering. To uplift not only himself but also those he held dear. To be a beacon of hope in a world shrouded in darkness. His indomitable spirit, his unwavering resilience, led him to a significant milestone. Despite numerous setbacks, Owais secured a partial scholarship for an MBA program in a foreign land. It was a testament to his relentless pursuit of knowledge, his unyielding determination, and his commitment to making a difference. Despite setbacks, his indomitable spirit led him to a partial scholarship for an MBA program in a foreign land. But how does one emerge from the crucible of war and displacement, you may ask? This is the story of Owais, a story of unwavering resilience and unyielding spirit. Owais's journey was a testament to the human spirit's ability to rise above adversity. He faced the trials of displacement and the harsh realities of conflict, yet he never faltered in his pursuit of knowledge and excellence. His homeland, once a picturesque village nestled amidst majestic mountains, was now gripped by war and natural disasters. But Owais did not lose hope. He pressed forward, his spirit as resilient as the mountains that once cradled his village. His resilience was not born out of a lack of challenges, but from his dogged determination to overcome them. His journey took him across the globe, from the realm of computer science at a prestigious college to an esteemed overseas university through a scholarship. Each step was a milestone, a testament to his tenacity and tireless work ethic. But Owais's journey was not just about personal growth and academic excellence, it was also about uplifting those around him. He sought employment and further education, exploring avenues to not only improve his own life, but also the lives of those he held dear. His spirit, though tested by adversity, never waned. Instead, it fueled his pursuit of a partial scholarship for an MBA program in a foreign land. Owais's journey is an inspiring tale of resilience and determination. He emerged from the crucible of war and displacement, his heart aflame with passion and his mind ablaze with intelligence. He didn't just survive, he thrived. He became a beacon of hope, a testament to the triumph of the human spirit. His story is a testament to the enduring power of resilience. It's a story that teaches us that in the face of life's storms, we too can rise above and leave an indelible mark of hope and motivation for others. Today, he stands as a beacon of determination and a testament to the triumph of the human spirit. How can one person be a force for positive change? Let's explore the journey of Owais, a man who embodies resilience, determination, and a burning desire to uplift others. His story is not just about personal triumphs, but also a testament to the power of positivity and perseverance. Owais' aspirations are not confined to personal success. His dreams extend beyond himself, reaching out to the people and the land he holds dear. Owais' journey could easily be a tale of adversity and struggle, but instead it's a narrative of hope and relentless pursuit of positive change. His story is a testament to the transformative power of education and the limitless potential of the human spirit. He has harnessed the power of technology, using it as a tool to not only better himself, but also to uplift his community. His eyes are firmly set on the future, yet his heart remains deeply rooted in his homeland. Amidst the trials of academia, Owais has shown an unwavering commitment to his community. He has used his knowledge as a beacon, illuminating the path for others. He is a testament to the power of resilience, a man who, despite the odds, has risen to the top, driven by a burning desire to create a ripple of positive change. His journey is a constant reminder that even in the face of adversity, one can forge a path of positive change, not just for oneself, but for an entire community. Owais' story is a beacon of hope, a testament to the enduring power of resilience, and an inspiration for all who dare to dream. In the unfolding tapestry of Owais' life, woven with threads of perseverance and courage, the chapters continue to reveal a story of inspiration. He stands as a beacon of determination, a testament to the triumph of the human spirit. In the chapters of Owais' extraordinary life, where threads of perseverance and courage are intricately woven, a remarkable story unfolds. Today, Ruaainfinite, the visionary creator, presents Owais' narrative as a testament to resilience and the triumph of the human spirit. Ruaainfinite extends an invitation to creators worldwide to join this inspirational journey. Bring Owais' story to life through your unique lens and make it part of the global tapestry. Share his odyssey and let the echoes of determination resonate, inspiring others to create videos that captivate, motivate, and uplift. Through the lens of Ruaainfinite's storytelling prowess, Owais' journey becomes a beacon of hope, and his saga invites creators to contribute to a collective narrative of strength and perseverance. Join us in spreading the message of resilience, and let Owais' tale be the catalyst for a wave of impactful and motivational videos that transcend boundaries and inspire a world in need of uplifting stories.